Good morning, everyone. It's been 2 weeks since my accident. I'm not able to run yet, and I'm not able to exercise heavy yet. But right now, I'm able to walk. So today is a walk evangelism. Oftentimes I think, why did the accident happen to me? Why do nasty things happen to Christians or people who have faith in God? Why did I break my rib? This verse guides me. It's one of my favorite verses, Romans 8:28, and it says, all things work out well for those who love God and those who are called according to His purpose. As a motorcyclist, I only see what's 10 or 20 meters ahead of me. But God, who is all-knowing or omniscient, knows the whole map and the whole picture. And it's always good. I just have to trust that everything has a purpose and it's according to His will. As a Christian, we just have to walk by faith and not by sight. God sees the map. We see 10 meters ahead. It's always going to be good. Have a great weekend. Mainit. Ang ganda ng araw ngayon. You guys take care.